Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn some very easy, yet very helpful Windows shortcuts which we can use in our daily routine. Number 1. How to take screenshots. Simply press Windows, Shift, and S button. This will open up the snipping tool arrow. You can select the area you want to select and then you can paste it anywhere you want. Let me show you. Number 2. Show the desktop. Sometimes you have a lot of applications opened up. You can minimize all of them with just one shortcut. That is, Windows plus D button. By simultaneously pressing these keys, all of the windows will be minimized. You can press same keys again to open them all again in the same format they were. Number 3. Switch applications. You can quickly switch between applications by pressing the Alt and Tab button. This will switch between opened up applications. Number 4. Most of you already know how to delete a file. When you delete a file, it will go straight to your recycle bin. And then, you can permanently delete that file from there. But, what if you want to skip this step? You can simply press the Shift and Delete button simultaneously. This will permanently delete the file for you. Number 5. You can open up your Windows notification panel by simply pressing the Windows and A button. Number 6. Have you ever wanted to have a clipboard in Windows just like you have on your mobile phone? Well, you have it. Let me show you how. Just like on a mobile phone, when you are copying something on your PC, it gets saved in its own clipboard. Simply press Windows and V button, which will open up Windows Clipboard. From there you can select your desired text and even pictures. Number 7. You can open up your File Explorer by pressing Windows and A button. Number 8. If you want to connect your laptop or desktop to a projector, simply press Windows and P button. This will open up projector options. From there, you can select the desired one. Number 9. So you want to open properties of any file. Instead of right-click and then selecting the properties option, you can simply press Alt and Enter button. This will open up properties of a select item. Number 10. If you want to rename a file, simply press F2 button once the desired file is selected. You can then rename it. So there you have it. 10 easy, yet very useful shortcuts for Windows. If you like my video, please like and share the video. Hit the subscribe and bell icon to remain updated on more interesting videos to come. Thank you and bye.